this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to cook Ninja Foodi Baked Potatoes. These baked potatoes will have a wonderful crispy skin, they'll be cooked through and they'll be ready for you to add your favourite toppings to. As well as this, we have more than 1,000 kitchen gadget recipes over at RecipeThis.com. From air fryer recipes to instant pot recipes to slow cooker recipes to soup maker recipes, plus bread maker recipes and many others. I recommend you head over there to check it out after watching this video and find your perfect recipe.
What I do when I'm doing the baked potatoes in the Ninja Foodi is I use the air fryer crisp lid to put them in, because then it's easier when you're going from pressure cooking to air frying. So you want to start first with at least a cup and a half of water into your pot, and then add your air fryer basket. I recommend 4 baked potatoes at once, because then you're not double laying and they have a chance to cook properly. And of course, give them a few pricks with the fork so that they'll cook well. And the great thing about the Ninja Foodi is it's got an air fryer and it's got a pressure cooker. So what we do is we pressure cook first and then we air fry, because then when we go back with the air fryer, we can crisp up the skin, because that's often the complaint when we're pressure cooking potatoes, that we want that crispy skin. So once you've added your water in, added your air fryer basket, pricked your potatoes and added them in, it's time to add the lid. And then you want to make sure we're into sealing position.
And then you want to set the time and temp. You are looking for the pressure button, so press pressure, and you want it on high, and then you want to set the cook time to 20 minutes. And then press start.
Well, we've released the pressure, we've pressed cancel, and we've removed the pressure cooker lid, and these are what the potatoes look like now. You know, with a quick test on the fork, you can see that they're already soft and cooked. But of course they're not crispy, and that is what's so wonderful about using the air fryer lid in Ninja Foodi baked potatoes. So firstly, you want to remove the potatoes and then drain out the liquid that is below. And then once you've done this, you can place your potatoes back in. And this is when I like to season them. But what I do, that my lovely husband Dominic taught me, was to slice the potatoes down the middle, because it will help with them making them crispy, and you'll be able to get the salt in the middle as you are air frying them. So just do that with them, and then just prise them open slightly. And then you can add some extra virgin olive oil, salt, or whatever else you like with your potatoes. Then what I do is I just give it a quick splash on the top of the potatoes, and this will really help make them lovely and crispy. And then of course, some salt. And then they're ready for being air fried. So place your lid back down on your air fryer.
And you want to switch it back on, and this time you're looking for the air fryer button. So if you want to press down on it, you want it to 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit, it should automatically start there. And then you want the cook time to 10 minutes, just to make the potatoes nice and crispy. And then press start.
And we're done. And wow, those potatoes look absolutely amazing. Let me just turn it round so that you can have a proper view of them. I know, the skin on them is just so crispy, and that is one of the main reasons I recommend that people buy a Ninja Foodi, because you can go from pressure cooking something to air frying it, And it's perfect for all those recipes that you love in the pressure cooker, but you wish there was a crispy skin. And we can't wait to tuck in.
And these are the Ninja Foodi Baked Potatoes. All I'm thinking is how long it actually take to cook a potato of this size in the oven and for it to be crispy too. You know, thanks to the Ninja, you can pressure cook first, then you can air fry, and you've got perfect crispy baked potatoes that are cooked much faster than your normal traditional method, but taste just as good.
Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.